an exquisite intersection of fairway calm and ocean light. Introducing Palmilla Estates number 44, a 5-bedroom, approximately 3,443 square foot, single-story residence built in 2006 within the private Palmilla Estates enclave of the San Jose corridor. Perched above Arroyo 7, the home frames sweeping golf course vistas with a distant Pacific horizon, setting the stage for effortless indoor-outdoor living. An open-concept, light-filled plan anchored by a chef's kitchen with premium electric appliances and a wine fridge, richly textured saltillo floors, and generously proportioned bedrooms that open to terraces. Outside, a resort-caliber pool and heated spa sit alongside sculpted gardens, a serene water feature, and more than 1,076 square feet of terraces crafted for sunset entertaining and intimate gatherings, all behind a secure wall for complete privacy. Thoughtful finishes and durable concrete construction support a refined, low-maintenance lifestyle, while Palmilla's gated, guarded community delivers immediate access to world-class golf, a fitness and spa hub, tennis courts, and signature dining, a turnkey retreat furnished for life in Baja. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.